Okay, hello. I haven't updated my channel for a very long time, and I've been a very busy programmer working at various studios. But right now, I'm not beholden to any studio, and I'd like to show off a plugin that I have been working on for some time. It's helped me debug and understand the structure of Unreal Engine and how it works. It was very helpful to me as a new engine/tools programmer, and I'm hoping it will help other people, and I'm hoping this video will give it just its existence just a little bump. So new level, basic, okay, great. SM skyscraper, right. So we're going to add an actor. Place actor. BP introduction actor. Oh yes, we have our actor. So this is where the plugin comes in. We want to know everything about this actor under the hood. So there's a new item in the details context menu called UBrowse, which is the thing. So this brings up the browser, which is telling us everything about our actor. Obviously there's a class and a name if you've got to filter with if you've got more than one actor, but don't worry about that because we've only got one actor. We can see that this is the instance, this is our actor's instance, this is our class, this is the level it belongs to, the world it's in, the package it's in. We can see various interesting things about it, like its name, its path name, and the object flags on in this case, since it's only transactional. Whether it's native or not, it's not native because it's a blueprint. And we can see its class, we can see its level and things like that. It's outer. Also, there's a dump of its object property fields. Its owner doesn't have an owner at this point, or an input component, or an instigator, or anything, because it's just a fresh new object. The thing is, we can look at the root component. So these two buttons here, they give you a chance to browse the instance of the root component or the root component class. Right now we're interested in the instance of a root component, and now we see the structure of our component in terms of a new object terms. It's you can see it. This is its owner, which is obviously the actor. This is the actual component itself. This is its class default object, its class. Notice the nodes are actually color coded. So you see what level you're looking at by looking at the level. And anything to do with actors has its own color code. To do with levels has its own color code as well. And the level it's in, again, when you click on, you can double click on this and go to it. This is like a history browser, so you can go through your history. So it just shows you what you've already seen in this case. There's not much utility in it. But obviously you might want to see its properties as such. So see what class it is. That would actually browse the class of the class class. So it would actually browse the uClass object. I want to look at the level instance. This is a level. Again, you see about everything. You can also see things like the header is defined in. It's not native. Interesting. Wonder what is. That might be a bug. I'll fix that. But yeah, other interesting thing is you can see you can edit it in here. You can browse to the class, basically. Browse to the class gets you to the blueprint, which is our blueprint, which you can just go to the asset editor and edit it if you find something wrong with it. What else can I show off? Also, it works with the content browser. Content browser 1. Show in new browser, show an asset in new browse. You see it's an import action. Because we're just browsing the import action. The class filter here has been changed to import action, and you can see all instances of import action you have. In this case, it's just the 2 assets. But if you want to see absolutely everything you can do, I've said the panel is actually coded by someone from Epic. I just sort of built the whole thing around it. I want to see all classes, object. Interesting, there's 2 classes called object, which isn't at all confusing. So it's every single object that's defined in the engine. You can see the ones that are predefined in the engine. All kinds of things that you wouldn't actually know about otherwise. X-ray material, anything interesting, really interesting. Wait. Oh, walk, for instance, walk is a function. Interesting, in the cheat manager. Have a look at that. But yeah, you get the general idea. It's really useful for browsing and finding stuff out and working out what exactly is going on under the hood. And I hope it helps you. And that's it. And I'll fix that non-native bug if I can. Goodbye! Back in 5 years for another awesome tool and Unreal Engine 6.